Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the process of rebuilding this head, and I have to clean these valves and put them back on. So I figured it's a perfect time for me to actually show you how to do it. And it's not going to involve too much money, so it's just a cheap solution and it works really good. So yeah, let me show you how to do it. This right here are results. As you can see, it's a shiny if it's gonna focus right there. And yeah, I'll be showing you that right now. And it's like I said, nothing special. So yeah, let's start it. All right, so in this case, I'm gonna be doing an intake valve, or you can do exhaust, anything. So thing is, with these valves, what happened is my seals went bad, and yeah, look at them now. So first we're gonna do a wire wheel right here. Make sure you're wearing a protection, of course, eye as well as gloves. It's gonna be loud, so sorry for that. Alright, so as is, it already looks better than what it was. So now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see in here, but I will sandblast just the tip of the valve. So yeah. So here we go. Tip has been sandblasted. Right now, this right here is the next step. So let me put you on the stand. Alright, so you're gonna have a either electric drill or battery operated, so you can put your valve inside there. Tighten it, not too much, because these teeth can actually damage the valve. So we're gonna start with a 100 grit. Before we start, I wanna show you that this is where your valve seals, right? With the head. 1 second. Right here, this, right? That area there, you don't wanna pretty much sand or polish or anything. Just leave that area like that. You'll see in the end it's gonna have a ring. Just leave it like that, because later we're gonna be doing a seal. We're gonna be grinding that as well, so I'll show you that as well. But anyway, with the sanding paper, don't touch that area. Everything else, all the way pretty much till here, this area here, you can do with the finer grit, like 600, 2000, 1000. This right here, the neck, all the way till here, you can do it with the 100. So this area right there, from here to here, you can do it with 100, 220, and kind of harsher sanding paper. Don't want to make too much scratches over here. So yeah, let's start doing it. We're gonna start doing it with 100. Like I said, all we're gonna do is we're gonna push the switch, and then we're gonna lean this over here. All right, now we're gonna do it with 220. Check it out. Looks good. Next step is 1000. All right, and the final is 2000. All right, so I'm gonna do the face of the valve. Same thing, we're gonna start with 100. So I did the inside part. Now I'm gonna use this pad, put my sanding paper, and then put it flat with the valve, and then do it. You look at it, it's good. When you're doing this, try to hold the sanding paper as flat as possible. Now we're switching to 220. We're going to 1000. $2,000. Now we're gonna do 1000 inside of the valve. And then of course 2000. One more time, 2000 everything. Check the results. And There it is. A shiny valve. Of course, you want to do with the finger. Make sure nothing is catching the fingernail. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do these. An easy way. Not too much effort though. Like I said, it doesn't cost much. So yeah, pay good attention on what you're sanding and where you're sanding. Of course, make sure that you take all the scratches out. This inside part, I don't want to bother too much. It's gonna get dirty anyway, so like I said, that's done. Like probably a lot of people will do and sand it down. I don't want to do none of that, but like I said, this ring around the seal, it will be done later when you actually drive this through the head and then put some cutting compound that's gonna mate this with surface the best you can. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and of course I'll see you guys next time. Later.